go up like this, and I'm gonna press right there. Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Right. And then the table's gonna drop down like that underneath you, okay? Okay. So you feel how that's not moving right there when you press in?
Mm-hmm.
Right. So we're gonna adjust this area. You need to take a deep breath in, and then breathe out all the way. Good. Relax your. And then do that one more time. Take a deep breath in, breathe all the way out. All right. Good. All right. So stay totally relaxed. I'm gonna do the other side with you laying face up. So you're gonna turn over for me. All right. Okay, drop your shoulder here a little bit. Good. Stand up really straight from there. And keep this in. Stand up really straight again. Both your elbows. All right. How you feel?
Amazing.
Amazing. Good.